somebody's moved a light fixture from the ceiling, and they've taken the box out. So I'm gonna put a new piece of drywall in there and patch it. I want to make something really stable. I'm not going to do like a patch where I just kind of glue something there, because I'm afraid of gravity eventually just coming loose a little bit, pulling it down slightly, and it becoming visible later. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little furniture strip. We cut it about 8 inches long. I'm going to stick it up in there. And now I'm just going to put a screw in each side to hold it. If I was having trouble holding this, which I had a little bit of trouble, I could have actually put a screw in the block of wood, and that would have been like a little handle for me. But I can get my fingers up in here, so it's working out all right. Okay, so that's nice and solid now. So I've cut a piece of drywall that's going to fit right in there. So, just taking that. So that's nice and solid. I'm going to pre-fill that and go with like some thin mesh tape over the top of this. That's going to be a real easy, quick repair. What I'm going to use here is a fiber tape extra strength. I like it because it's a little extra strong, a little extra wide. Because I can push the compound through it, I don't have to pre-fill these gaps either. So I'm just going to put it over the top of the hole. Press it in nice and tight. Then I'm just going to take some pre-mixed compound. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put quite a bit of pressure, because I want to force it through the tape and into the gap. You see what I'm doing there? I'm forcing it right through it, filling that. So that's going to be a really nice solid repair. But immediately I'm going to just start feathering it out a little bit. I'm going to put a little compound right around it right away to start smoothing it in. Okay, now I feel like I have a lot of compound on there already. So now I'm going to start smoothing it out. First thing I'm going to do is feather these edges right in, the outside edge. So I'm cutting that right in nice and tight. See how I've lost all the thick edge I had there a minute ago? Now I want to smooth that middle out, and without leaving too much compound. If I leave too much compound, I've got a bump. So I'm just pulling my 6-inch knife gently across it. I'm removing a little bit as I do this, but not a lot, because I'm trying to keep it thin. So right now I'm just doing this until I can see the tape. As soon as I see the tape, I know that I haven't built it up too much. I really can't see the tape yet. So let's go over it a few more times, see if we can start seeing it flashing through. See, right there I do. I can see it flashing through just a little bit. So now I know that I've kept the bump that I'm creating with this patch to the minimum. I'm just concealing that tape. So this is step one. Tomorrow when this is dry, I'll put a fill coat over the top of it, and probably maybe that coat and one finish coat over the top of that, and this will be done.